Hi, I'm going to make possibly the shortest video as I can to see if it's really as easy to order a Model 3 as they say it is. Now, I will say I'm using a GoPro. I'm not using a fancy screen capture with microphone and whatnot. You could tell from the couple hundred videos I have on my channel that I'm not an editor, but I'm going to show you my exact process. And I've watched a lot of these videos, just there was some things they left out. So I'm gonna try to fill in as best I can. So I'm gonna head down to custom order. I see the purchase price. I want the long range. I'll go with that gray paint. I do want those 19-inch sport wheels. I want the black interior. I don't need autopilot. And it's saying I should have it by May of 2022. Now today is March 4th. Go to continue to payment. I do a loan and then ask you for your $250 deposit. It is non-refundable as of today. And actually, now that I'm thinking about it, the advanced full self-driving mode was $10,000 a couple months ago, so that's went up to 12. So I will go ahead and enter in all my personal information. Right here is all this right here is my card information, and it tells you non-refundable fee right here, and then I can place my order. So there, your Model 3 order has been confirmed. Gives you your reservation number, a little hedgehog, and sends you to a screen to get you shopping. Although I was looking up most of these and go to Amazon. I'm sure there's other things, but I use Amazon. So, I mean, these all weather mats, I were finding them for just over $100. These door sills were also just over 100. It says continue to account at the bottom because I don't want to shop today. If you do not have an account, create one. But I already have an account, so signing in right now. And there we go. So this brings you to your main screen. It shows you your pretty little car. And now we're going to go down here to your delivery location, which essentially you're just going to enter in your address right here, and then they're going to give you if you're close, we'll go ahead and deliver it to you. If not, then, well, you know, you're gonna have to wait a pretty long time. I think it takes like 2 weeks to ship a car, so I'm gonna enter my address. So after submitting my address, it brings me up at two locations. We got the Chicago West Grand Avenue or Chicago Westmount, which is a little over 2 hours away, but this is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and have my car picked up from West Grand Avenue there in Chicago. Okay. Registrant, it's the person. Here's all your personal information that I'm gonna have to block out from you guys. You can enter in there your birth date, driver's license state, and then go ahead and enter in your driver's license number, expiration date, take a couple photos and put it on, upload it to them. And will you transfer a license plate? No, this is going to be just a new car for me. So after you upload your driver's license information, you come to the next screen, which is the payment method. You got cash or finance. I'm not a baller, so I'm going to go finance. This website's slow, so bear with it. There we go. All right, you got lease or loan. Go loan. And you can go down here and if you want to go through Tesla, which they'll give you 72 months, or you can go through yours, which will give you 84, whichever one you want. I'm gonna go self-arranged. It's a third-party loan, they call it. And here it gives you the price breakdown of everything and what it comes to out the doors. $57,480. And next, you'll go ahead and enter in all your financial institutions information. All right, do you have a trade-in? No. All right, then it tells you your next step, which is to download the app, and the rest will be completed through the app. You won't have to return to this screen unless you want to submit a cancellation, which is right here under adding the self-driving mode. And yeah, that's it for now. I'm gonna go ahead and get to the mobile app and finish the rest. So day 3 after ordering my Tesla, I got an estimated delivery date of May 21st to June 19th. Pretty much gonna wait for that to change probably a bunch more times before I even get close to that. Apparently where I'm at, I talked to the where I'm taking delivery, and they only deliver once per quarter. So you got March and then June. So I'm probably looking at June. So 17 days after ordering my Tesla Model 3, I received an email from the person who's taking care of you. They assigned you to a person at your possible delivery location, and she asked, hey, you know, I know you want the 19-inch rims, the sport rims, but if you don't mind the aero rims, I can get you one much sooner. And it's like, sure, you know, that cuts several months. And they gave me an estimate between March 16th and March 22nd, which is weeks, you know, instead of months. So I'll see where it goes from here. All right, I will put up on the screen what day this is because I don't really remember. But I received a text message from Tesla saying, please confirm you have the third-party check, which I chose the third-party loan, before the 23rd. And then please send a clear photo of the front and back of the third-party check. And then, yeah, it shows you where to send it to. And then they do got 2 options. One, you can go to their website, or, which, right here's a third-party check. I've had it for a while now. So I'll just go up to the side here, go into the Tesla app, and then I seen there we go, they updated my time, March 23rd at 1 p.m. And I really hope this video is not as blurry at what it looks like inside on this little GoPro. So then it tells you where to make your final payment. Open up to this next, tells you what you owe, and then you add your payment method and submit that. Tesla paid link uses Played to connect your account. Let's get started, and I'll enter my bank information. So once you enter all your bank account information, loads it up, you hit pay. Amount due is 0. And then it goes to review your agreements. And now we have to take a picture of the front and back of the check and send it to that email address that they wanted it sent to. I kind of botched this video because I forgot my GoPro at the house. So on the delivery day, left, made it there at the Tesla Center at 30 minutes before. It's a really simple process. You walk around and there'll be a plaque with your name on it in the window. They do it really nice. You get it, and that's your car. And unfortunately though, so say if your time is at 1 p.m., your car doesn't unlock until 1 p.m. So, you know, instead of waiting 30 minutes, we walked across the street and went and checked into the Tesla Center and said, hey, I'm here 30 minutes early. Can I get my car? They're like, yes, let me unlock the car for you. It took them 45 seconds to push a button, and then you close your app, you reopen the app again, and immediately there's your final thing on the app. It tells you to access your vehicle. You turn on the Bluetooth and you'll stand next to your front door. And it does, they said it's gonna take 2 minutes, and it probably took 2 to 4 minutes. But yeah, you just sit there until
it'll show up on your screen, and then boop, and your car will unlock. Your power folding mirrors will extend out, and that's when you know you're okay to go. Now, when you enter your vehicle, there'll be a red folder which will have all your stuff, on the inside of the car. Yeah, really easy. There's your paperwork to sign. You sign the paperwork, and you're good to go. You put I had a check, so I put the check in the envelope, and then you take it and go drop it off in the drop box. There's no human involvement. Again, the only reason why I had some sort of human involvement is because I really didn't want to wait around for 30 minutes. But yeah, very impressed with how this process went. I was so glad they were able to give me a car quicker than that. I mean, and honestly, those aren't too bad. I might have a video, but I already took them off and added nice little caps on there, and it really changed the look of the rims. So actually, it wasn't bad. Yeah, that's how the buying process is. It was just as easy as what they say it is. I was very impressed. Very easy. Everything is straightforward. The mobile app is your key. You're also it comes with 2 key cards. Looks like credit cards. They are also inside the red envelope. So you pull those out. They're in boxes. So you got to pull them out of the box and wait. And it'll tell you to put it right by the glove box. Once you set it by the glove box, boom, your car is good. So like I said, if you do show up early, they're cool with it. You just have to have them unlock your car, which again, it took so fast. They just pushed a button and there's your car. You can get everything set up to your driver profile. Yeah, they don't care how long you sit there either. And depending on where you're at. I mean, as far as us, we were in Chicago, and it was first time we went there, no Teslas at all. This time that we went, it was wall-to-wall Teslas. They had no room for them. They were parking them out in the street. So that must have been one of the delivery. And whoever ordered this Tesla said I didn't want it anymore. So they just pushed me ahead of the line and got me one. I believe the time frame was, I think I was into June by the beginning of this video. I don't remember, but I had it in March within 30 days or something like that. I don't know. I could be wrong on the dates, but yeah, it was very, very fast. So, you got any questions, comments, concerns, leave it in the description. I don't think I'm missing anything else on the buying process. Yeah, you do the walk around yourself. You do everything by yourself, which is cool. There's no sleazebag trying to sell you extended warranty or telling you that car is, I don't know. Just there's no one there to try to talk you in or out of the car. They don't care if you buy it or not, because whether you buy this car or not, someone's in line to buy this car. So, it's just take it or leave it. I love it. And thanks for watching.